How to buy Shiba Inu in Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba in Etoro in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro. This is the home page as you can see. Now you go to the watch list. Okay, let's wait a few seconds, and here is all the cryptos here. You go down and you will find Shiba, click on it, and here is the Shiba. Click on trade here and then choose the amount of money that you want to invest and click open trade. After that, choose your payment method. You have a credit card or bank transfer or even PayPal. After that, you go down and click on deposit. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.